Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open Meet. Google, or click Meet inside Gmail. Once the Meet page loads, create a new meeting by clicking New Meeting. Make sure you've given the browser permission for camera and mic. If you prefer scheduling, open Google Calendar now and select Create, then add Google Meet video conferencing. Once done, check that your internet speed and device audio output are set correctly so participants hear and see you without delay. Next, generate the actual link. Click New Meeting, then select Get Meeting Link to share, or schedule a calendar event to auto-create a Meet link attached to the event. You can rename the event, add a description, and invite guests by email so they receive the link automatically. Make sure to set date/time and adjust guest permissions, allowing screen share or presenting only to hosts if needed. Once done, copy the link or use Calendar's Invite feature to distribute it to attendees. Finally, distribute the link. Paste it into email, chat, or save it in the calendar invitation so everyone has access. Before your meeting, join a few minutes early to test audio, camera, and screen sharing. Make sure participants have the correct permissions. If you need a waiting room behavior, use quick access toggles in meeting settings. If something goes wrong, try refreshing the page, reloading Meet, restarting your camera/microphone, or opening the link in an incognito window to isolate extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.